76 of building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're continuing the interior that we were doing before. So all the pages are sort of not cut properly, but there we go. Penguin. We're back with the Penguin again. Penguin is a girl's best friend. With Marsha, Queen of Diamonds. There's an extra special guest villainess as well as the Penguin. So yeah, there we go. All about that. Faces of Death from Detective Comics. Batman 03 made it to 03. Thin blue line of dedicated cops fought to hold back the rising tide of criminality. Here we go. Arkham Asylum. Yeah, there we go. All right, so the parts that we're building, we've just got a couple of parts today. 2 side panels for the cockpit section to bring the front bit sort of in line, make sure it all fits together nicely and finish off the footwell. So we'll just get a couple of screws in for that, hold that together, and that will be done. Another quick build episode. So I'll clear the bench off and we'll get that done. We have it. These are the parts, clearly labelled L and R for left and right. This is the left one, which is going to go on the left side, as you might imagine. In there, yes, there's a screw hole and a notch. The notch goes into the little groove. The screw hole obviously goes into the hole. So we'll need 1 screw for this side and 1 for the other side. Let's get that ready. Get that one on there. Hold that in place. I'm surprised really that it doesn't actually attach to the front panel in any way as yet. But I suppose it fits in front, and then that's obviously just going to have to push up against like that. So that is the side that we've got there. Obviously going to do exactly the same over this side. Notch and hole in there, and a single screw through that bit. Nice, because the notch stops it rotating while you're trying to put the screw in. So there we go. We have got our foot area sort of sorted out. Hole for the steering wheel obviously there through as well. And that's what we've got so far. Still got these seatbelts flapping around all over the place, but can't do anything about that. So there we have it. It's coming together. Join me next time when we're going to do something else. I don't know what we're doing, but it's all to do with this area at the moment. So I'll see you for that in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.